How to recover a Discord account without email. Hello everybody. Recovering a Discord account without access to the email is very difficult, but there are a few realistic options you can try out. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can open up Discord. So go ahead and access it. Discord here and head over to the login page. So in the top right corner, we can find a login option that we can click on and go over to the login screen. Now, once we are in the login screen, what we need to do is we need to just go over and use up our phone number or email in the section. So use it up and you can just go over and try recovering it. So if it asks for a code, you can just go over and try checking up your SMS. Instead of the email, you can try using a mobile number. Instead, just go over and do so and go ahead and try recovering your account one way. Apart from that, you can reset your password using the phone if enabled, because some of the accounts allow password reset via phone. So click on this forgot your password option on your phone and you can enter up your phone number instead of the email. So verify that you're human first, complete up this captcha. And once you've completed up this captcha, like this, you can click on verify and verify the captcha first of all, and you will be getting a phone number. You'll be getting a code on your phone number connected to the account. So just go over and follow the SMS instructions and you should be able to do it. Apart from that, if you have two-factor authentication on, you can use your saved backup codes and you can try using those and bypass the email or the OTP requirements. And if none of the above steps work, the main option is to head over to Discord support. Go ahead and look out for Discord support and hit enter. And you should be finding a submit a request Discord form available on the website. Just go and open it up and then provide as much as more information that you can provide in your username, phone number, devices that you've used, and passwords, and you should be able to do it. And that's it. Discord has strict security if no email access, no phone number linked, so no backup required, so the account may not be recoverable. But if you have any of the options apart from that, you can follow the process and you should be able to do it. So that's it everybody. For now, you can just go and follow the step. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.